Goldman Sachs just warned 300 million jobs will vanish by 2027. Not tomorrow, not next decade. 27. McKinsey found 44% of work tasks face automation now. 44%. That's not projection, that's today. Customer service reps are first. Teleperformance laid off 47,000 workers last month. Replaced by ChatGPT variants. Done. Accountants are next. Deloitte Automation replaced 15,000 accounting roles in 2024 alone. 15,000 humans. 1 year. Data entry jobs are extinct. Amazon's automation cut 10,000 positions last quarter. Your job might be in this list. Check your role against automation benchmarks now. Software coders face pressure too. GitHub Copilot replaced junior developer roles already. Your paycheck depends on speed, not skill. Marketers producing basic content are vulnerable. Jasper AI writes 1,000 campaigns daily. 1,000. Your competitors are already automating. They're cutting costs now. You're still hiring humans. This gap closes fast. The window to adapt closes faster. Like and subscribe for more. Zero Input AI every day.